Why is Avon a great place to do business? Avon and Hendricks County are often the centers of the lowest unemployment in Indiana. The Ronald Reagan Parkway, now open from I-70 through Avon, is a major connection to interstates and provides easy access to the airport. Avon is a community that values education, and in addition to the local school district, Avon is also home to two schools of higher learning, Ivy Tech and Trine University. Avon businesses also benefit from the Hendricks County Economic Development Commission and a business commerce park that features companies like Mears Machining, Harlan Bakery, Phoenix Fabrication, and CSX Rail. When it comes to business, location is everything, and Avon is the place that has it all.